Hey everybody, how's it going? We did some more trash picking in the neighborhood and came up with 3 more bicycles out for the trash. You know what happened this year? The groundhog didn't see his shadow, so it's going to be an early spring. So I guess people are getting their early spring cleaning done. And here in Virginia, it's been very warm. So let's see what we have. So we have a Jamis Durango, Mountain Sport, which is a 12-inch size. I'm not sure how many speed it is, but it's got a lot of gears on this one. Let's find out what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we got 3 up front. So is that a 24 speed? Do you believe that's a 24 speed? And then I looked up this bike on the internet, and this bike sold for like $350 brand new. And then over here we have a Royce Union Bermuda, which it says here, which is funny. At first you think it says made in USA, but if you look on the other side, it actually says designed in the USA. Well, this bike here actually has this Allen Sports top tube model 900B. That's a $20 top tube, and I just happen to need a top tube for my wife's bike. And I looked up this bike, and this bike is actually a pretty expensive bike also, you know, a couple $100, easily brand new. And you can see the leaves stuck in it, flat tires. They were definitely out for the trash. And then over here we have a little kid's bike, a Rattlesnake. This one here I think is probably just going to be trash. I don't know any little kids that need a bike, and it looks like it's pretty well been worn. Maybe pull the calipers off it and the seat, but I think this bike's going to be trashed. But these bikes, I don't think there's really anything wrong with it. This bike here also has a flat tire. So just trash picking in the neighborhood. Early spring coming, people are putting good stuff out. So we're gonna probably put some air in the tires, fix these up, grease and oil them up, make sure everything's working okay, and put up on Craigslist for sale. All right, everybody. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And don't forget to ring that bell so you get notifications of my new videos. All right, we'll talk to you all later. Thanks.